Hello beautiful you family and welcome back to my channel. I am Shirley. If you already been here, as always, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel by clicking on this video, and welcome back. If you are a new subscriber, I say a big welcome and thank you. So today we are going to be doing a very easy everyday natural hairstyle. What you would need is just a comb, a pin, and we are going to be twisting our hair and pinning it up. So let's go ahead and get started. So the products that I use a closed and open bobby pin. I section some of my hair, and sorry guys, I was feeling so lazy to detangle my hair with, of course, my Cantu detangler. I did not use that. I just use, my comb to comb it up a little bit. And my hair, I have a very coarse and thick hair. So after I did my twist, I unravel it because I wasn't really feeling it, and I'm gonna try to retwist it again. So this is very simple. Just section your hair into two. I divided it, my hair, I divided it into two sections, and the other half of it, all that I'm doing is I'm taking like a little bit of my hair at a time and I twisted it up. And when I was done twisting it up, I tack it in, and I'm going to use one of my bobby pins to secure it so that my hair is well secured. All right, my natural sister. So for the other half, I'm combing it out so that it can be easy for me to work with a little bit. So all that I'm using is I'm using my big comb, and again, I will be twisting this side. I started off sectioning a little bit of my hair, and all that I'm doing is twisting it, and after I'm done twisting it, of course, I will tack it back and I will pin it up. This is an easy hairstyle that, if you are running late to work, or if you are going out to even a party, or some place that, you don't have enough time to do your hair, this is very simple. Basically, all that I did is I twisted my hair and pin it up. So we will be moving on to the front. I left a little bit of hair in the front section of my beautiful you natural sisters. Let's see what we can do with this front hair that we left. So again, to the front, I was trying to see what I should do with it. I tried to pull the hair back to see how it looks, but I wasn't feeling it. So I just went ahead to twist it, and I am going to pin it back. All that I'm doing is I'm tacking it in, and I will be pinning it up to make sure it's well secured. And natural beauties, my beautiful natural sisters, we are all done. This hair is all done. So you can now go ahead and use some of your edge control in front of your edges to make sure that your edges are well laid flat. So that is it. That's all that I did. Again, thank you so much for hanging out with me today for us to do this very simple and natural hairstyle. It only took us like what, less than 4 minutes. So I believe in you. You can also achieve this look. Again, if you are new here today, please make sure you hit the subscription button. And if you are one of my subscribers, oh, I am so thankful to you guys for all your support, for watching my video, liking, and also make sure you leave a comment below to let me know if you really like this natural hairstyle, and I will be able to come up with like different and quick, easy natural hairstyle for you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. My natural sisters, this is the dance that you do when you've achieved this natural hairstyle. Look, this is the dance that you do, because it was so easy for me to do it, and when I was done, I was so excited. So again, when you're done, make sure you do the dance.